Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Breaking news bafethu, uSilva ku-Kaizer Chiefs bamdrobhile, akatravelanga ngesquad ukuya eCongo. Izinto engizokukhuluma ngazo. This raises some concern ukuthi i-striker esizokwazi ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs or sebayaqala ukumdawutha lapha eNaturen. No-Igataro akekho esquadini se-Kaizer Chiefs, but u-Igataro yena siyam-understanda kancane ukuthi ubuya ku-injury, but u-Igataro sejimini ne-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu over 4 weeks laphana fully fit. And bayamdinga laphana ku-continental level ngefiziki yakhe ne-experience yakhe nje ebholeni overall i-pedigree yakhe bekazokwazi ukubasiza ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke kuthiwa-ke kumele uye komastor abantu abaphethe ama-coaches walaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs enza izinto the way afuna ukuzenza ngakhona. Yibo abajimisa ama-player, yibo abazibona izinto everyday, but akusiwo iGadaro kuphela iplayer elisha eli-ready ukuthi lidlale no-Batman no-vele bayabaselekthwanga. Maybe-ke they're trying to ease them into i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi maybe babaqalise ku-Betway Premiership, but sobona uMayo yena kutravelile ne-team. But abantu engifuna ukukhuluma ngabo, ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-striker nje eziwu-2 nje kuphela bafethu. Obviously lento leyithusa abantu kancane ukuthi why would they drop uSilva, because uSilva usayinwe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. Bekunama-big expectations makafika because une-gold record lakhe elihle kakhulu mebuya lene Asia, which is i-Indonesia. Abantu abaningi-ke bayamdawutha uSilva ukuthi okay maybe unayo i-firepower ukuthi maybe angadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi anga-represent team elingana ne-Kaizer Chiefs overall. But I think there are ways zokumdlalisa bafethu, akusi-striker esifensi, striker ekumele sihlale laphana ebhokisini. Unfortunately u-Kaizer Chiefs igame yabo abasquare amabhola, igame yabo badlala ama-touch la ama-1-1-1 balisquare naphansi, akusiyo abantu abashaya ama-cross isikhathi esiningi, and lento le izophinde i-affecte no-Igataro bafethu. Asingeneni kuyo singayikhi phezulu. Sibonile i-list ikhishwe i-Kaizer Chiefs straight bafethu ukuthi uSilva akatravelanga ukuya eCongo, is left behind. So i-striker lesi bafethu obviously sibuya laphana ePortuguese. Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi kunama-expectations amakhulu since sifikile. I mean ukudrojwa kwakhe laphana ku-continental level because umuntu, it raises some concern ukuthi umuntu ozokwazi ukubasiza na, ngoba hhayi ukuthi zonke i-strikers some of the strikers they haven't played this season. iGadara akakadlali, uHlongwane akakadlali, uDuba ama-matches wakhe asase-minimum, so bathathe uDuba than uSilva. And uSilva sikhumbule ukuthi unayo i-physique ukuthi maybe bekazolwa nama-defender lawa strong lawa laphana eCongo, or maybe singathi bane-plan for ilokhunjana i-second leg. But you don't have to leave izinto to i-second leg bafethu. Select your best team well. Maybe noma thola ukuthi awayidlalisi yonke, ubadlalise a few minutes abanye bangene second half, but you need your best team on the continental level bafethu, because by the time maybe second leg ifike uthola ukuthi seku-too late, kuyi-2-0 score. But-ke so we just have to wait for i-weekend sibone ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoline up kanjani, izodlala kanjani overall. U-Igataro ufike ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngama-big expectations. Mangikhuluma ngaye njalo ngihlezi ngimention i-record lakho ukuthi unamagoli ayi-25 laphana in 97 games ebholini lase-South Africa overall. Ama-fans they are hoping ukuthi this weekend, nami I was hoping ukuthi njengoba batravela e-Africa, i-physique yakhe iyafitha ukuthi alwe ukuthi bame-include laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup squad lesi njengoba bodlala ne-AS Simba yaseCongo overall. So a crucial continental feature le-Kaizer Chiefs. So without a natural forward, a traditional natural forward, asazi ukuthi maybe babheka amagoli or babheke nje ukuthi maybe baye lapha bathole at least i-nil draw, because we saw them lapha ne-Angola bafethu badlalela i-draw. Unfortunately-ke e-Angola leya team yakwazi ukukora, so they cannot afford ukuconsider, or-ke at least mabaconsider nabo bakore babe ne-away goal ukuthi bangabi too under pressure ukuthi okay let's say beza ngapha le team leader 1-0, kumele manje bakore igoli loku-equalize at the same time bamake sure ukuthi the team ayikori, so izinto azibi right overall laphana. For obviously ama-fans amanye aworried. I've seen some few comments, because if there's one thing i-Kaizer Chiefs in recent seasons, even this season, but struggle ngama-goals, nasi i-strike u-Igataro, especially iGadaro available, but-ke abamselect. At the same time kuSilva singasho ukuthi ujoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, obviously bekumele kube uyi-missing puzzles, bamnikile ama-opportunities amaningi u-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi adlale. U-powerful, une-experience laphana forward, beletha, I think, I thought he was gonna bring i-hunger ne-presence inside the field of play for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke just 2 months in or so sokungathi sekunama-doubts kancane, i-strikers zonke zingakadlali, imagine, but already sebakudropha wena. uSilva already bafethu uscore 2 goals for i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-Betway Premiership, so waselebrate serious. But I think lela goal lela bekumele lim-ease into i-life entsha laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi ama-fans akwazi ukubona ukuthi okay, akufani uyakora noma kuthiwa uyawaqedelela, but is able to find himself kuma-positions a-right ukuthi akwazi ukuwashaya amagoli. I-confidence yakhe, umuntu ongenayo i-confidence kakhulu masibheka because of ama-misses wakhe, unokuba okay, is not comfortable on the ball, number one. That is why ngisho ukuthi i-best way ukuthi bamdlalise ebhokisini, bangafuni ukuthi adrifte wide, Kaizer Chiefs mabenza lo mjikejo wabo ukuthi bayaswitch isikhathi esiningi, lento enginokuyibona yena kumele ahlale laphana ebhokisini angamuvi. Ukuthi bamnika kanjani amabhola, they have to try ukuthi bamnike. Ugame against i-Cabo Scope uthola ama-golden opportunities awu-2, wamisa i-trapping kwenye, he was beating i-defender one-on-one goalkeeper was able to save that ball. Obviously ushayile, but-ke amanye ama-chances are too big ukuthi uwageje bafethu, kumele ube clinical, especially laphana eduze kwa-goalkeeper, but-ke ziyenzeka izinto, angifuni ukuqamba amanga. Ukumdropa, I think ne-confidence yakhe bafethu izodropa. I mean, kuma-link up plays ne-Kaizer Chiefs under ulo coach, was it Coach Nabi at the time? No, Coach Nabi laphana beseyangekho uma badlala ne-Cabo Scope, but-ke akakalinki kahle na-number 10 lesomduduzi Shabalala no-Gaston Sirino, kusase naleyo nto leyo ukuthi abakalinki kahle, still getting used to i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. But-ke I think if uzo-apply right attitude overall and bamdlalise ngama-strength wakhe, bangafuni ukuthi adlale njenge-striker lezi ezifensi, akekho fensi bafethu, umuntu obekwe lapho ukuthi ashaya amagoli kuphela, is not comfortable on the ball, kumele aqedelele amabhola, azipositione kahle, bakwazi ukumdlalisa based on i-strength sakhe, because uma udlala nama-player good ayakwazi ukubheka i-strength sakho and then akudlalise direct ngale nto le o-good ngayo. But uma udlala nama-players like, let's say they don't care much about you, well, they don't even gonna care nange-strength sakho ukuthi yini overall. But-ke sithemba ukuthi bazokwazi ukulungisa izinto. But-ke i-question ukuthi uzothola ama-opportunities angakanani uSilva njengoba sekubuya nabo Ighodaro kanje. I think for me absence laphana Ighodaro ukuthi bangamselect for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, it's a big thing, especially njengoba baya away. After ukurecovera sekunesikhathi phela recovery le ku-injury, asibeni fair bafethu, is fully fit. Udala trainer, even na-online uposte ukuthi coming soon or in, to be unleashed, uposte izinto ezikanjalo. Kumele adlale, kumele anikwe ama-opportunities laphana ukuthi adlale, because for me obviously-ke phakathi kwaSilva no-Ighodaro, I would choose Ighodaro because ufuna experience. I've seen him play multiple times for AmaZulu. I've seen him ku-SuperSport, I've seen him ku-Chippa United, and I've seen him ashaya amagoli ngekhanda, ngo-right, ngo-left. I've seen him ngaleyo aggression yakhe laphana. That aggression ne-experience is needed kakhulu bafethu ukum-unleasha laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup. But instead Kaizer Chiefs idecide ukuthi hayi, gama lakho mfana ngeke libe khona kule ncwadi le yale phesheya. But yeah, maybe ama-big reasons, bamrejistile, yes, sibonile ukuthi bamrejistile, i-registration yakhe, is it yes, I think bamrejistile, yes, because ngiyibonile i-registration earlier on ekuseni, bamrejistile, ukhona yena noVelebayi namanye ama-players laphana babarejistile for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bacompete ku-continental level. OVelebayi noBatman babarejistile, so sokulele kubo nje kuphela ukuthi ama-coaches akwazi ukuba-select i-size. But-ke enye into esingayimenshina bafethu ebalulekile, i-squad, ne-size ye-squad. I-Kaizer Chiefs ine-strikers eziwu-8 njengoba ngishilo, 8 strikers. So every week vele kusho ukuthi uzocomplaina ngokuthi usibani bani abamselekthanga, because they're not gonna select everyone, of course, yabo. Ne-technically-ke maybe ucoach tactically, if ucoach i-technical team izofuna ukudlala a different kind of style njengoba idlala away, maybe banawo ama-reasons ukuthi okay, that is why sibashiye behind. But mina ngo-Ighodaro ngiyakhala kakhulu bafethu, la muntu u-dangerous, i-presence yakhe, the aggression ikhona, is-strong. Maybe strategy sama-co-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs, which is uBen no-Cedric, they have their own ways ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. So maybe I'm overthinking izinto zokuthi why would they not select Ighodaro, and maybe bafuna ukumtesta kuqala ku-Betway Premiership. Maybe-ke maybe they demand more from bona kokuqala, but uSilva-ke it's surprising because I thought was gonna be the main striker Kaizer Chiefs up until okay, not even the main striker, but-ke abomayo alwisane nabomayo bafethu isikhathi esiningi, because imagine basayine i-striker ezitsha, basayine uMayo, basayine Ighodaro, basayine uSilva. Imagine bayakusayina ethimini and then-ke khona lama-game a-crucial kakhulu bayakudrop. Lokho kuthini? Ezinye i-strikers akadlali, by the way, eziyi-3, Hlongwane, Ighodaro, uHlongwane no-Ighodaro bangakadlali because Even noMorris, yes. UMorris, but Morris ngeke ngimcount. Udlalile laphana catch i-penalty but akakatholi i-match like e-serious. Akubonakali ngathi nje futhi uzoba khona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs as one of the most influential guys. I-striker laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba zingithi ziyi-8. Kunomayo, kunoDuba, kunoDupriez, kunoHlongwane, kuno-Ighodaro, kunoSilva, kunoMorris, ngikhohlwe esisodwa man. Yeah, but-ke overall mangiyibala iy'traka zaku-Kaizer Chiefs ziwu-8 laphana. But yeah, sobona ukuthi maybe laba abathathe ama-decision ukuthi kuzobasebenzela lezi zinto zokuthi badrobhe some of the strikers laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, uMayo baselekte uMayo noDuba noDupriez. I think the gents are well equipped ukuthi bangahamba bayolwela i-Kaizer Chiefs laphana on the continental level, nanokuthi bakwazi ngempela ukuwathola ama-results. I mean, there's no reason ukuthi bangawathola ama-results laphana bafana. Combination play, well, it's not a must-win game for them, but they have to try at least ukuthi bangaluzi babuye ne-draw. Cela ukuyibamba lana okwamanje bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.